I'm eating, and I can
drink your ass up. Don't you dare talk to me like that.
God damn it.
Stand your ass up. Stand your ass up.
Sit down, Karen.
Karen?
You're a goddamn Karen.
No.
Sit down. Sit down, Karen.
Sit down, pussy.
Pussy, no, you're the pussy.
Oh, no, you're the dick.
Do you want the police to meet you on the ground?
What about him?
Ask them. Now.
Mask up.
Put your mask up.
Mask up. Tell him to mask up. Tell him to
You got
mask
your
up.
mask down, bitch.
Sir,
Yes, I did.
stop it again.
Now you're going to jail. That's assault. You're going to jail. As soon as we get in Atlanta, you're going to jail. Bitch. Karen. Hey, spit on me. Now you're double going to jail. Bitch.
You fucking piece of shit.
Piece of pussy. Sit down, Karen. Sit down, Karen. Sit down, pussy, Karen. Look, she punched me.
Put your fucking mask on. Tell him to put his mask on. Put your fucking mask on.
Punched me. She scratched my face. I want her the fuck
Put
out
your
of here.
fucking mask on. Put your fucking mask
Put
on.
yours on, bitch.
I will put my mask on. I will put my mask on when you put your mask on. Thank you.
Where was the air marshal to arrest this Karen? This individual, this elderly man on a plane, was eating his meal and drinking some water. How could he do that with his mask on? But this Karen would not have it. She wanted that damn mask on and didn't care that he was eating. These Karens is out of control. And let me tell you something. They gonna run into the wrong individual and they gonna get knocked the fuck out. This is disturbing. This is disgusting. But this is going on all across the country. These Karens are acting up in supermarkets, department stores, gas stations, and on airplanes. And it seems like this Karen epidemic is getting out of control. These white women feel entitled to do whatever they want in this society. I would always tell you that these Karens feel as though they are untouchable. That no one, I repeat, no one should ever put their hands on them. No one should ever correct them. No one should ever arrest them. But something happened when she got into Atlanta. She was put into custody by the Atlanta PD. Yes, arrested for physically assaulting an elderly man. The man said, "I'm trying to eat." But that was not acceptable to this Karen. We have a society where these Karens are running around, screaming at the top of their lungs at everybody, getting people arrested, physically assaulting people, and saying some of the most heinous things in society. You know what I think we should have? We should have a Karen law. The law should be explicit. If you're bothering someone for no reason at all while they're minding their own damn business, that you should get a felony crime. And it should be mandatory for these damn Karens. Here's a man minding his business like everybody else. This is when Karens show up, when you're minding your own business and doing what you're supposed to do. But they're going to give their words of wisdom to you. Then act up, then physically assault you, Then, check this out. Call the police on you. At times, when you didn't say nothing, didn't bother them, don't even know them. But this bitch right here, she needed her ass whooped. Let me tell you something. She needed an old-fashioned ass whooping on that plane. This was a disgusting incident, but it's happening every day across America. There's a Karen epidemic, and it needs to be handled. We got all these laws on the books for hate crimes, discrimination crimes. Why don't we add in that Karen law? Why don't they pass that? Why don't the Joe Biden administration have a Karen law? Because it's much needed in this country. This foolishness has to stop. Can you imagine if she ran into a brother, a man who didn't have the type of moral structure that this elderly man had, to where he would have jumped up and hit her with a right hand and just beat the living crap out of her? See, that Karen would have thought about that a couple of times maybe if she would have ran into a Pookie or a Ray Ray who wouldn't have gave a shit about her, because she needs her tail whooped. This is an entitled woman who has never, I repeat, never been disciplined in her life. Damn. Even the old white man called her a Karen. This is how out of control these women is, man. He called her a Karen. This is how they feel about the white woman in America. Because no one knows the white woman better than the white man. And she is always calling for help, even when she starts the shit. I want to hear how you feel about this whole situation. And please, write it in the comments section. And if you would like to subscribe to this channel, subscribe to Black Site, and also hit that like button.